We are here with Larry Woodcock. Larry, the trial starts tomorrow. What are your thoughts?
In all respects, honestly, I'm very relaxed. I'm very peaceful. We are absolutely ready to attend this trial, to be part of this trial. We have waited 4 years, as you know, and to say it's been an easy wait for us is a total understatement. We have gone through a tremendous amount of agony. We have cried. We have had a few moments of joy. We've had sad moments of joy in a sense. We're joyful that we found the children. Extremely disappointed in finding them deceased. And but overall, I feel like that we are prepared for this. And I think that I have prayed heavily for the wisdom of the court to come through, to be a fair and honest trial for all involved. I don't know how much more you can get prepared.
Well, I know that the big concern last week, actually for probably 2 weeks now, up until the ruling came down on last Thursday, was whether you and Kay would be able to sit in the trial when other witnesses are on the stand, because you're both on the witness list, as of now at least. So what was the reaction when you learned Kay can be in there, but you you can't?
I felt all along that Kay and I would be in there. I just did not accept the fact that we would not be allowed to be in that trial. I'd never accepted that fact. And so, I'm thankful that the judge made a proper ruling in this, and that Kay and I can be in there, can be the face of JJ. Obviously, Tylee now has a representative in court, and thankful for that. And our family is going to also be able to, I think, be in the court also. I know that my brother-in-law and sister-in-law are coming in, Jerry and Melanie, and I know that Kay's sister is coming in, and hopefully our granddaughter will come in time to be in court. So I'm confident. I feel that everything has worked out, and that it's going to be an exhaustive court. I don't think there will be any doubt about that. I know we're going to see evidence that we can't unsee, but we've already seen hard evidence in Chad's trial that I still can't unsee, but it'll be the same evidence.
Yeah. How do you prepare for that? How do you prepare for the whole trial?
In my case, with my work background, I've seen enough tragedy, death, that I'm prepared. I mean, it's the way I deal with it is I can see it, and it really doesn't bother me that much. But when I walk away from it, I have to put it in one of my post office boxes in my head. and you have to leave it there.
That's a good way to describe it. File it there and leave it in the
file
post
it.
office box.
You
Yeah.
really do. I have all these little post office
Yeah.
boxes in my head,
Yeah.
and I open them up and I let that go in there, and it works for me.
Yeah. Anything you want to say to the people that have been following this story from the beginning, that have been waiting for this trial, that have been so concerned for you and Kay and all your family?
Absolutely. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone. Without the media supporting us, Nate has been phenomenal. You have been a huge support for us. You always give us the truth. You don't candy coat it. You tell us what it is. And it makes it so much easier for Kay and I to deal with the reality of this. The support we have from the people regionally, throughout the state, throughout the country, and that follow us worldwide. We never sought this public. We never asked for it. All we wanted to do, the only thing I ever asked from the first day, where are the children? Where are the children? Where are the children? That's all I ever asked for. And this took off, and the outpouring of support that we have got is mind-boggling. It really is. We're nothing special. We love our children. We love our grandchildren. And we love our great-grandchildren. And I just can't imagine that any parent, grandparent, great-grandparent would not respond in the same way that Kay and I have responded to. And so we are eternally blessed with the prayers and the kind words and the way people have been so gracious and, more than anything, so protective of us. I've never seen this.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this opened up a whole new world. You know, we listen to the news sometime and we think that everything is bad and everything's going to hell in a handbasket. And I look at the text in social media. We were invited to do a little podcast by our daughter last night. We don't get on that very often. It's just not who we are. But when I do, I have fun. Because I'm not going on there and wham, and it's not about a ruling from the judge or a ruling from the court. That's business.
Yeah.
I've been in court enough. I mean, when I've been in business over 45 years, and if you think you won't get sued, you will. And so I've been in court. And I'll walk up to any defense attorney or a prosecuting attorney and I'll shake their hands and, hey, good luck. You got business to do. We're here. But the support that we've got has been it's mind-blowing to us.
Well, I know that support's going to continue for the next 8 weeks. So thank you, Larry. Nice chatting with you.
And it is.